This little polymer clay bunny is super cute for Easter or any time of the year. Let me show you how to do it with just a few easy steps. For this project, you will need gray, white, and black polymer clay, wire, fingernail clippers, and a non-metal baking dish. To make the body, start with a large grape-sized oval, slightly pointed toward the top. Then cut a piece of wire and stick it in the top. This will help hold the head in place. Roll a ball for the head and stick it on the wire. The head should be about a third of the size as the body. Now make two cone shapes or teardrop shapes for the feet and press them into the sides. Roll two balls to make the haunches and press them slightly forward over the feet on the body. Now roll out a small oval of white clay for the belly. Flatten it out with your finger and press it into place. Roll two skinny cone shapes to make the arms. Press the skinny part of the cone at the top in between the neck and the body. Now cut two more pieces of wire about half the length that you want the ears to be. Roll out teardrop shapes for the ears and press them flat. Roll out and flatten two white pieces to make the inside of the ears. Press them into place. Now take one piece of the wire and stick it inside the ear, or you can stick it in the head first. Either way, you're going to use the wire to secure the ear to the head. Press the bottom of the ear onto the head. Do the same thing for the other side. Position the ears so that they're leaning forward and bend the very tops forward as well a little bit. Roll two small white balls for the cheeks and press them into place. And then add a tiny black ball for a nose right in between those cheeks. Roll two tiny ovals for eyes and press a tiny black pupil at the bottom of each oval. Press them into place on the head. For these tiny parts, sometimes it helps to place them with a toothpick if your fingers are too large. Add the tiniest bit of white clay on each pupil for a little highlight. Again, a toothpick might be helpful here. Roll a ball of white clay for a tail and stick it securely onto the body. Cut 6 pieces of wire and insert 3 in each cheek to make whiskers. Last, use a piece of wire or a toothpick to add some detail to your rabbit. Here I'm making 2 marks in each hand and foot to make paws. Place your rabbit in a non-metal baking dish and follow the clay manufacturer's instructions for baking. It'll be about 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Once your rabbit is baked and completely cooled, it's ready to display. Please subscribe to my channel for more polymer clay ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.